Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Jill's Comfort Zone. And today we are going to make some delicious, creamy chicken noodle soup. Oh yes, it is the season. It's fall, so it's time for this yummy, heartwarming, bone-heating goodness. All right, guys, so let's get started. Let's get into the ingredients. Be right back.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it back on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words. With you having it back on nothing. I'll take you.
Guys, let's get into the ingredients you will be needing for this delicious homemade chicken noodle soup. Okay guys, so we have some butter here, we have some garlic, we have our chicken breast here, we have our celery stalks, some carrots, yellow onion, some fresh parsley, the better than bouillon, roasted chicken broth based, some chicken stock, smoked paprika, herbs de Provence, ground turmeric, garlic and onion powder, red pepper flakes, rosemary, sage, celery seeds, and some freshly ground black pepper, cream of chicken soup, and of course our egg noodles. Okay, all right, so we're about to get started. Let's clean our chicken and get our chicken seasoned up and chop up our veggies, and I'll be right back. So I have my pot of water for our egg noodles. I put some olive oil in there and some kosher salt. I am also going to use some chicken flavor soup base that I'm gonna put inside there, and just about that amount, okay? And we're gonna drop that in the water and let it all boil up, and then I'm gonna add the noodles. Now we're not gonna cook the noodles till it's al dente, because we're then gonna add it to our soup base with the chicken and broth and all that good stuff, okay? Hey guys, so you're just gonna cut them in chunks like this. All right, so our chicken is seasoned, and so we're just gonna go in here and get them coated real good. And then I'm gonna put them in the fridge and let it marinate for about an hour or two. Okay, guys? So I'll be right back. Okay, so we're about to prepare our chicken. So I have 2 cups of water here that we're gonna add to the saucepan, okay? Some of our chicken bouillon base, okay? We're gonna add that to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some olive oil. And so you can buy store baked chicken and just shred it up. You don't have to do this from scratch. Or you could bake the chicken in the oven and then do as however you like, okay? And so now we're gonna add the chicken to the pot and then cover it and let it cook for about 20 minutes or so. And then we're gonna remove it and start adding it to our base. So I'll be right back. All right, so we added our chicken to the pot, okay? And we're just gonna give it a stir. We're gonna let this come up to a boil. Then we're gonna turn it down on medium low and let it simmer, slowly cook, okay? And then we're gonna get started on the rest of our ingredients. And so I'll be right back. As you can see, this is gonna be So delicious, guys. I can't wait. Okay, so you only need probably like a teaspoon of each in here with the veggies while they are cooking down, like I said, for like 3 minutes. So you don't need much, because remember, our chicken has the flavor. We seasoned our chicken. We're going to use a little bit of that broth that comes off of our chicken. And then we're also using the chicken stock in the bouillon. So that is enough flavors that it's going to enhance this delicious soup, okay? So you don't need much. Well, let's get some of our fresh parsley in here. And we're gonna leave some to garnish the soup with. It smells so delicious in here. Guys, when I tell you, this is gonna be so flavorful, trust me. Woo. Hey guys, so our chicken is coming along good. I am about to turn it off. Let's add our garlic. And I lowered our heat. As soon as you started smelling the aroma of the garlic, we're gonna go ahead and start adding in our chicken. Well, no, our liquid, sorry. And then we are ready to start building our soup here, okay? Now, this is 1 cup of the dripping, sorry. It's dark here, trying to get some light. This is from the broth that we made from our chicken breast in the pot with all the delicious seasonings, okay? And we're gonna get the bouillon. Oh yeah. And then you taste. We're not adding any salt right now because we want to taste what this bouillon, which I need to re-up some more. We're gonna see how, if we need any more salt, okay? And then we're gonna add in our soup, and it is a 10.5 ounce, okay? Cream of chicken soup. And let's come in with our chicken stock. We already have a cup, so we won't need as much. About a half a cup of that. And then we're going to cover this and let all of this get combined together. Okay? Get it mixed in. This is smelling so delicious, guys. When I tell you, you just want something hearty. Fall is here. Winter's coming. Some delicious recipes for your family and friends during these cold weather, you know, nothing like that. Kids coming in from school, they want something hearty, stick to their bones, type meal. Yes, this is it. This is it. So we're gonna turn this down. I'm gonna add some more broth once we start putting our chicken and noodles in. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, let's see what we're looking like. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, we're looking good, guys. We're looking good. Let's go ahead and add our chicken. This is good, and I taste it, and we don't need any salt, none of that. Let's get our chicken in there. I didn't cook the noodles all the way. They're good enough. So let's go ahead, get our noodles in there. And then we're just gonna let this cook, excuse me, for about 10 minutes. Okay? And as you start stirring it in, you'll see if you need any more broth, which I think I do. Chicken that we cooked our chicken in, all that flavor. Let's get that in there. Just a little bit more. And then I'll see how it flows. I told you I like a thick, not too watery and chunky soup. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. Okay. That soup that's not too thin but thick. All right. So I'll be right back. All right, guys. So there you have it. The delicious creamy chicken noodle soup. Oh yes. It is so delicious. Really good, and your family would truly enjoy this. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please list them down below in the comment section. Leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video and want to see more delicious soups, just let me know. And as I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out, y'all. Later.